of the day. I am Daksh Arya from Amity International School, Vasundhara Sector 1, and I am in class 8. So today I will show you my experiment. So all you need is vinegar, baking soda, a spoon, an empty bottle and a balloon. The first thing you need to do is put some baking soda inside of the balloon. I already have done this, so I will do it. And the next step is putting vinegar inside the empty bottle. And now I will retain this balloon and put it over here. So when you are ready, just let the vinegar and the baking soda get mixed. I am ready, so I'll do it. Let's see what happens. Can you see? My balloon's just going up. It's filling up. You see, like the things that I only poured some of the vinegar, but it's like a lot. When vinegar came in contact with baking soda, a chemical reaction takes place, releasing carbon dioxide. So here, vinegar acts as an acid. Baking soda acts as the base.